Today we are going to make a leather glasses holder. We are going to use a piece of leather with the shape and measurement seen in the video. At 4.8 cm on one side, we will mark and cut 1.3 cm to a small piece of leather 3 cm long. We are going to hang 1/2 moon with a diameter of 1.4 cm. This piece will be used to place a handle to our leather case. This piece, we are going to penetrate it and glue it into the cut space. It is worth mentioning that this piece is optional. For greater grip strength, you can apply sewing in this area. We are going to use Fomix pieces in circular shape, 5 cm thick. These parts are to be placed at the circular ends, 5 cm from the sides. Now we are going to line the inner part of our case. For this step we will use taffylette. We proceed to glue the body of the case on the pin board. We make a slight pressure to make the glue completely uniform. Now we are going to eliminate excess lining, following the sides of the main body of our case. You can see that our leather case is already taking shape. Let's complement the final details and proceed with the sewing process. By culminating with the painting and drying process, we continue with the sewing process. For this step, we are going to use nylon thread number 40 and cotton number 100. Type of seam and width may vary according to your personal criteria. Let's sew the sides of our case and also the area where the Fomix is located. The seam will simulate a kind of eye on the product to have, as a result, more aesthetics in our leather case. Below is a brief reference to the sewing process. We take the opportunity to sew the handle of our yellow case with a 1.5 cm carabiner. The length of this piece of leather that will serve as a handle is of personal taste. We already have 80% of the final product. Now we are going to check that our glasses fit correctly to our leather case. If you are liking this video, please like and subscribe. And if you would like to support my content, join as members of the channel. And finally, let's put a button on our leather case. The buttons should be placed 0.7 from the sides. And this is the result of our leather case, a handmade product. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. If you would like to see more content in leather goods, subscribe to my channel. My name is Joss and I will see you next week. Good luck, cracks.